Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete a listing on Poshmark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Poshmark app. So once you have tapped it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below and simply tap on your profile on the bottom right hand side of the corner. After you have done this, you need to go and tap on My Closet. After you have done this, you can simply select any of the listing that you want to delete. So simply tap on Edit Listing right besides the picture of that particular listing. And once you have tapped on it, you need to simply find the posting itself. After you're in the editing section, you need to scroll down below where you can find the option called Delete Listing. So simply tap on Delete Listing. You will now have to give reconfirmation about your decision. So simply tap on the yes icon and you will be able to delete a listing on Poshmark, and your Poshmark listing will simply be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.